Welcome to How to Do Technology. Today we are going to see what about plus equal means in JavaScript. So let's start. Here when we are like working with declarations of variables or using like counters or adding more numbers to the existing variables, like let's see, for example, if we have like this declaration, let counter one counter, that this is going to be my variable here, and then I'm assigning or declaring this variable with 0, then I'm going to use counter also, and then I want that the counter every time would be sum the same number. Let's see, counter, I need to do something like this, plus, let's see, 1. So in this case, console log, I will use console log just to see the result here. So in this case, I am creating like my variable in 0, that here I will have 0. And then I am plus or sum the number 1 to the counter. So 0 is gonna be 0 plus 1. The result is gonna be just 1 here. So let's see. If you see, the result is 1. But a shorthand to do this, it's the other way. Let's comment this. So I have the same declaration here, and then I'm going to use counter plus 1. So this is the same as this, but it's only another way to do this, but it's like a less code in your programming or in your program. So but it's the same. If you see, if I run this, will be half the number 1. Also, or we can use here, let's suppose that here we have 4, and we can rest here, so we can use the different operators here to do math. So here is gonna be like 3 here, or also we can do like 3 or 3, and then this division. So we can use different operators here. It doesn't matter. So it's just another shorthand to do the same as this. If we are working with plus 1 or minus 1, we could write this more shorter, but only if we are working just with adding 1 in the code. Let's see. If we are saying this, let me show here, and we can have here 0, for example, we can do a counter plus plus, and this is gonna be like 1. So every time it's gonna be like summing or sum 1, the number 1. You can use this in 1 for example, 1 loop for. In this case, we will have number 1 here, and if you have this code inside the for loop, you will have 2, 3, 4, and that. And let's see. So here I have 1, and also if I have, let's see, this, and I have here 10, for example, I can minus 1 and then 1, 1, 1 like this. So it's gonna be 9 here. So it's like other, this is when you are just working with one, like could be like sum, or like you're going to less the number 1 to 1 variable or result, so you could use this shorthand. So this is all that I have for this video. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, please. Thank you. Bye bye.